Rob, rumors are swirling that Microsoft is canceling massive data center leases, 700 megawatts worth. Is this a warning sign that the AI boom is cooling down, or is Microsoft just shifting strategies? Today, we're unpacking what's really going on and whether other companies should follow their lead.
Gary, moving to thing number two, we're looking at Microsoft and some rumors out there about canceling leases. Looking at will others kind of follow trend. Gary, thing number two, we're talking about data centers, Microsoft data center rumor. Thing number two, Gary.
So, Rob, what happened here is Microsoft they've said all our plans are the same, they're all fine. But snuck in the back of an analyst report a week ago was a rumor that the company has canceled multiple leases with data centers in the United States. Those leases have a combined 700 megawatts of capacity. That's a big number. And so a lot of investors were taking that as a sign that the data center market is oversupplied and, everybody's trying to jettison out. Now, what's really interesting about it is the company claims they're not canceling leases and that they've planned over $80 billion in infrastructure investments. So there are a couple of possibilities here. One is it was just a rumor and the research firm got it wrong, the brokerage firm. And that happens with sell-side research. It happens with everybody. Everybody gets something wrong at some point. But if there are lease cancellations, it could mean a couple of things. It could mean that Microsoft is saying, we want to have less exposure to the space and we want to get out. It could also mean that they're going to pivot toward building and owning more of their own data centers, which would be a bullish statement, right? If you want to build it and own it rather than lease it. So we're not sure at this point what it is that Microsoft's doing, but the information that's out right now is contradictory.
Gary, curious on your thoughts just personally. I mean, do you think Microsoft is reducing AI spending? If they are, why do you think so? What's your take here?
Yeah, I don't think they are. Now, let's be clear. We don't know at this point. I don't have anybody in the C-suite of Microsoft reporting back, right? And even if we did, it would be illegal to talk about it. So, we don't have that contact. And so the answer is I don't know. The reason I'm skeptical about Microsoft reducing AI spending is it was just a few weeks ago that they came out and talked about increasing AI spending by tens of billions of dollars this year. The other hyperscalers companies like Amazon and Google are also spending more. We just got NVIDIA's results. And again, this is a company where we saw a growth rate of 100% going to 80%. They're still expecting growth this year to be in the mid 50%, like, 55, 56%. So everybody is saying we're spending more, and the company that they're spending this on is saying we're getting orders. People want to buy what we're selling. We just saw an order for Dell. It was for tens of billions of dollars of their servers with the NVIDIA GPUs in them. So what we're seeing from all over the industry is that spending is increasing. So I don't think it's likely that Microsoft is scaling back. But if they are, they're telling the market one thing and then quietly doing something else to get out. There is one thing that concerns me, though. And this is something, Rob, that we've talked about for the last year on this show. It's that a lot of the companies spending tens of billions of dollars on AI don't have a business plan to earn a return on that investment. They're not sure how they're going to make that money. There really aren't, consumer products out there. Yeah, you could pay, what is it, $30 a month to buy Microsoft's premium version of Copilot. I don't think people are lining up for that yet. Could it become something to justify all that spending in the future? Maybe, but it's not there now. And so we think as more companies offer AI models, the pricing of whatever emerges is likely to fall as well. And, I don't think anybody's cutting spending yet, but there is an open question that we've had on how are they going to earn a return on that spending.
Yeah, I could not agree more, Gary, and I think it'll play itself out. Obviously, you got a bunch of applications, widgets, too, in the AI space, using all those wrappers as well. So it'll be interesting to see how they monetize AI moving forward. Again, this is the 5 things with deep knowledge investing. We're breaking down everything you need to know in investing for this week. please head over to our website, deepknowledgeinvesting.com. You can sign up for a free subscription to be added to our newsletter. That'll give you alerts on new content and information that's coming out on the website. Please know, though, that not all of that content will be available to free subscribers. We have plenty of content that's gated for our premium subscribers, $100 per month for a premium subscription. That will get you access to all gated content, speaker opportunities, current recommendations, as well as most importantly, when Gary is selling and exiting positions. So be sure to head over to our website at deepknowledgeinvesting.com.